Stock Jockey back with you. And we're with the owner of the bunker. We're gonna pour a nice gold bar for you today, gang. I know, you're probably all asking, where's the lady of the bunker? No, it's the owner of the bunker. Oh, wait a minute, there's the lady of the bunker. Oh, wait a minute. There we go.
No, you could, that's borax. That's borax.
All right. The owner of the bunker, that's a big gold bar, gang, and he does.
That's borax.
You see why I'm so careless? The owner don't care.
Like President Trump says, you're fired.
You're gonna love this, because when the owner pours, he does it the way he wants.
After this, I'm fired.
He's definitely fired.
So the gold bar is cooling off, and the lady of the bunker, she's packing up her stuff and getting ready to leave.
Oh yeah.
But it's cooling off, gang, so you can see all the colors there. And I'm just guessing, I don't know for sure, but I'm just guessing he probably spilled about $2,000 worth of gold.
Here we melt gold with diamonds soon. We're gonna retrieve them through the fire.
All right. So we're gonna do some bracelets.
Not the chemical acid, fire acid.
We're gonna go ahead. Those are diamond bracelets. They're gonna get melted down too, gang. Why?
To take the diamonds and ship it to the customer.
Exactly.
Why? Because
Fire doesn't hurt diamonds, in case you didn't know that, gang. There we go. Getting ready to do it. Dumping it in the little borax. All right, so we got the high flame going. We got the gold bar cooling down. The owner of the bunker, I don't know if he's gonna dip the bar in to cool it himself or what he's gonna do. But we're watching it. This is his debut, gang. You know, a lot of you have probably wondered, why the lady of the bunker? Why the lady of the bunker? Let's see the real guy. Well, you got the real guy today. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Boom, just like that. There's that gold bar. It's gonna go in the water to quench it off. I'm gonna take it over to the water. There we go. There it is, quenching. Yeah, he has a different way of doing things, but you know what? Sometimes you have to do it a little bit different.